Google's initiative to bring a high quality experience to affordable entry level devices with Android Go made a pretty big splash here at MWC 2018. While the high profile devices from companies like Samsung typically steal all of the attention at Mobile World Congress, it's important to pay attention to emerging markets, especially when Google believes its next billion users will come from countries like India. Android Go is a super lightweight version of Android that's optimized for phones with lower specs and a gigabyte of RAM or less, so none of these phones are really going to blow you away in terms of raw numbers, but that isn't the point. Google has created less intensive versions of many of their apps to ensure that the performance is smooth on this much more mundane hardware, and for the most part you're not losing out on much with the Go versions of their apps. There were several Android Go devices shown off here at MWC like the Alcatel One X, and although the hardware of Android Go phones aren't necessarily eye-catching, this one does come with an 18:9 display. Then there's the Nokia One. Again, another pretty uninspiring design, but it's a sub $100 smartphone, and it's hard to complain about anything at that price. There were many other Android Go devices that made their presence here, such as the GM8 from General Mobile, Lava Z50, and Tempo Go from ZTE, but we're expecting to see more Android Go devices from other high-profile companies such as Huawei. The big drawing point to Android Go devices will always be their price. Some are sub $100 and some will even cost less than $50, and that's extremely impressive for phones that are capable of offering a decent experience simply through optimization of software. You're also getting the latest version of Android out of the box and the promise of timely updates. That's not something you can typically say about smartphones in this price range. These phones aren't flashy, but what they are is practical and cost effective, and for users in emerging markets, those qualities are more important. Google has made a very strong presence here at MWC 2018 with Android Go, but we want to know what you guys think about Android Go, so leave your thoughts down in the comment section below. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, we definitely appreciate it, and keep it tuned here to Android Authority for the rest of our MWC 2018 coverage.